Hello everybody, I'm making one more video. This camera angle might, I don't know, I had to check the editing, but this might make it look a little off when I do the camera because I had to film from a different device, because normally I film from one more device, but since that has only 153 megabytes remaining, that's not much to save this. For comparison, a 10-minute video is 536 megabytes. So this video is probably going to be 10 minutes long. But anyway, but I'm just getting to the point. This video is about perseverance. So perseverance is, I'm going to upload this video, I'm uploading this video February 17th. Well, hopefully that is. But February 17th is extremely soon. Well, I mean February 17th today. What I meant to say, February 18th is happening really soon. So, well, it's actually happening tomorrow. But you should really check out my you should really go in the upcoming live stream and go Perseverance and check exactly how many more hours. Because February 18th, 11:15 PST time or Pacific time is gonna launch. So it's really important for you to watch the Perseverance landing because because now they have cameras, microphones. They have like cameras when the parachute deploys. They have all the cameras to record that, and once they deploy the heat seal, they have cameras on that. It'll just be sorry, this took a little bit, but yeah. Anyway, but please watch that. It's really gonna be amazing. I'm gonna start my live stream 1 hour before it, 1 to 2 hours before it actually land. But it cannot get delayed. Oh, sorry for that thing again. But it cannot get delayed because this thing cannot get. Oh, sorry, just this thing cannot get delayed because, well, it's gonna land. It can't like activate rocket booster fuel. It doesn't have anymore. So yeah, it has only enough for that one landing burn, so it can't be delayed. So it'll be guaranteed to land on there. Or maybe crash land. Okay, I'm hoping for lag. That's very important. And also, I fixed the problem for that, so please just do that thing. But anyway, I'm getting too far away. So anyway, if you haven't checked this video title, it's about perseverance, and I'll be talking about perseverance. This will be a very small. This will not be a small video. This will probably be 10 minutes long. I mean, I don't know how long it'll actually be because I'll be just filming it. But I'll show you a picture in 3, 2. Well, I'm gonna show you this picture for 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I just saw you a picture of Perseverance. So I'm now talking about Perseverance. Perseverance, how to get the name by NASA did this thingy when they name any of their rovers. They ask like students like me, like I'm in 5th grade. I'm 10 years old in 5th grade. I mean, I also entered a competition, but I didn't win because if I did win, that would be my first video. I won the competition. But anyway, I did not win the competition. But yeah. So anyway, you can enter into name the next rover. Next one's gonna launch in around 2026. So land in 2026. So good, quite a bit of time because I had to make a new rover, and then this one is gonna have rockets on it to send some samples back to Earth. So yeah. But anyway. So once the rover, anyway. But okay. So now when it okay, hold on, I gotta hold this. I'll just get one of my D12 file. So basically, actually, don't pretend. Actually, never mind. Just this rover, like, okay, but I think I should first be talking about what the importance of this rover is, because well, it is a 1.5 billion rover. So I think that's like the first thing I should say. Firstly, the importance of this rover. Okay. Anyway, what the importance of this rover is, it's very important because it will study Mars. It'll study Mars and Central Life, and like all of this will help you. I'm taking an example of Apollo, but there will definitely be instances this will happen in the thing Perseverance, but they didn't land already, so I can't really use any instances. You get it. But anyway, I'll take it from Apollo, the moon landing. There's over 2,000, well, not 2,000. Actually, I'll take a kind of broad thing. NASA had developed over 2,000 spin-off technology. Basically, if they did all the space stuff, 2,000 new technologies you want to develop. For example, like the thing I'm recording this in, it's the tiny cameras on iPhone. I have to use an iPhone, but because my other device is not using, so I told him maybe come a little, you know, thing. I had to take any editing, but I don't know. But anyway, so I'm using. I would not be able to make this video if it wasn't for NASA and 2,000 other technologies, including healthcare, which is quite important now, and there are actually quite a lot of healthcare things actually. Making sense because well, you probably want your astronauts alive when you do it, so that part makes a lot of sense. But anyway, I'm going a little too far up, and so that's kind of important. And like we study more science for life, and that just will make our understanding better. So we can maybe begin longer human survival. So I guess that's one thing. Okay, and also that the NASA developed around a few vaccines actually. Like I think 20 is the number. I'm not exactly sure about 20 vaccines, but yeah, they could have. I think so, but I think it's 20 vaccines they had developed. So without NASA, 20 vaccines could not have been developed. I mean, none of these are the COVID-19 vaccines, but still, I mean, that's quite, important. But anyway, okay, I'm getting really far off topic now. But anyway, okay, so now how basically curiosity versus perseverance. So the difference is that perseverance, camera's gonna be 22 times better. 22 times better. Way better, 22 times better. But imagine, I can't stop imagining how it falls down and you can see the cameras are 22 times better than the one before. And I mean, the 1 megapixel cameras are pretty good. I mean, you can understand it. I mean, you can definitely read and understand, and it's kind of clear. Maybe it's kind of clear. I mean, it's clear, but not the clearest thing in the world. But this is gonna be 22 megapixel camera. That is gonna be really clear. I can't imagine seeing Mars coming down from that. Just be a nice. It just be really nice. You can also see this at see this with. I mean, imagine how nice it would look like 22 times better cameras and just coming down. It just will look awesome. So one thing is the cameras, obviously, but also one more thing is that the wheels on Curiosity, the wheels sort of have many holes in them because well the sort of rocks. They engineer the wheels now to not have puncture so easily. And also it's a little heavier. It's actually around 100 kilograms, and filled with many more science experiments. And like also an improved drill. And also they're gonna store the samples for safekeeping because just in case of contamination, you're gonna save it for safekeeping. And once the 2026 rover comes, you get the rocket, move those things there, launch it. I mean, launch it. That's probably better to use. Anyway, well, but definitely with a more powerful engine than this. This is the C67, so definitely more powerful engine than this, though. Anyway, so yeah, those are quite a few things. But anyway, more things are really good about this as well. This landing zone is going to be very small. Like, because remember, because if you watch my 7 minutes terror, so you should really watch after this one. But so basically, when it's actually, I don't think I have only mentioned about the rovers. Actually, I haven't talked about too much of that. So actually, but you should definitely watch the 7 minutes of terror. But anyway, 7 minutes of terror in 10 minutes, I guess. It's a little funny. But first, apologize for the 7 minute terror because again, my device had run out of storage. I had to use some other program on the computer, and well, for some reason, I found one that's free, but it kept glitching out so much. So it's very uncut. So if I edit a single thing, it's uncut. So I have to just make it very basic. So you can see me moving to pause the video and then film a new one. So you can just sorry for that, but just have to do that. But it's a really nice video. I spent it took me almost 3 hours to upload a video because again of compilations. So please just watch this. Please watch it already. Okay, but I'm getting off topic again. I really think I get off topic. Okay, anyway. So it just basically when it lands, the landing zone is really small compared to Curiosity Pathfinder. Pathfinder is like another NASA movie, like 1996. I mean, sorry, 1978 is when it landed. It could land within a 120-mile radius. This would land within around a 0.4 radius. I mean, not 0.4. I'm sorry, 4-mile radius. That's very small. And then that was Curiosity. Now Perseverance can go in a 0.4-mile landing zone. That's like really small. So we can like, if we find a crater on 0.4 miles big, which we already found, well, exactly, I think it's quite bigger than that. But anyway, we guarantee we'll land in a crater. And with these computers, I mean, unless he doesn't crash. With, I mean, well, 50% of all rovers have crashed, but recently not many Mars rovers were crashing. But yeah, but technically out of around 40, 22 failed. Sorry. I mean, that estimate was taken. Because now Curiosity landed 2. Perseverance is gonna land. It's gonna make it 42. Okay, never mind. That's probably more complex anyway. So I'll be ending this video here. But after the Perseverance landing, I will make one more video explaining more details. Because something tells me, well, you all know that it is not the best with a lot of information, so I make another video like comparing Perseverance versus Curiosity more. But please like and subscribe this video. How can you subscribe a video? Subscribe to my channel and share this video with friends. Thank you very much, and please watch this live stream, please. And thank you very much.